What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chef Aruna from Truthful Nation Baking Academy, where we turn your baking hobby into a profitable business. So आज मैं आपको सिखाने जा रही हूँ चॉकलेट एंड हेज़लनट कपकेक जो कि बहुत moist, soft and chocolatey है. And the best thing about this recipe is that it's completely eggless. This cupcake is filled with luscious ganache and roasted hazelnuts. And for the frosting, we'll be making a simple chocolate and hazelnut buttercream. So let's get started with the recipe. But before starting the recipe, make sure कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें so that you guys can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So इस रेसिपी के लिए I am using one bowl method, which means we'll mix all the ingredients in one bowl. हम इस bowl में सारे ingredients को sift कर लेंगे, starting from all-purpose flour. Followed by natural cocoa powder, castor sugar, baking soda, and salt. अब हम इसी में मिल्क, ऑयल, एप्पल साइडर विनेगर एंड वनीला एसेंस डाल के अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे. If you like a little dense texture in the cupcakes, then you can use melted butter here. अब हम इसमें हेज़लनट पेस्ट डाल के मिक्स करेंगे और इस बैटर को एक पाइपिंग बैग में ट्रांसफर कर लेंगे. Now we'll pipe this batter into this lined baking tray equally. So our cupcakes are ready to go into the oven. Now we'll bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Meanwhile the cupcakes are baking, let's make the frosting. उसके लिए हम एक बोल में अनसॉल्टेड बटर को बीट करेंगे जब तक हमें एक फ्लफी टेक्सचर ना मिल जाए. अब हम इसमें आइसिंग शुगर डाल के फिर से बीट करेंगे. लास्टली इसमें हम मेल्टेड चॉकलेट, सॉल्ट, हेजलनट पेस्ट डाल के फिर से मिक्स कर लेंगे। So our frosting is ready. Now we'll transfer it to a piping bag fitted with round nozzle. So all the elements for the cupcakes are here. Now let's assemble them. So सबसे पहले हम इन cupcakes में apple corer के help से middle में cavity बनाएंगे. अब इसमें हम डार्क चॉकलेट गनाश पोर करेंगे। So for the ganache, we are following the 2:1 ratio, that is 2 parts chocolate and 1 part fresh cream. But if you still want to watch how to make ganache, you can check out our Black Forest cake recipe, link for which is in the description area below. After filling them with ganache, we'll insert 1 roasted hazelnut into each of the cupcake cavities. अब इसके ऊपर हम frosting pipe करेंगे. So for the frosting, we just have to pipe a big blob on top. Now we'll keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes so that the frosting sets properly. So our cupcakes are out of the fridge. Now let's take it to the assembly point. Now we'll dip the cupcakes into some melted chocolate upside down. And cover the top with chopped hazelnuts. Make sure you do not press too much, otherwise आपकी frosting ऊपर से flat हो सकती है. And here you go guys, your chocolate and hazelnut cupcakes are ready. I really hope you guys like this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will be back with another delicious recipe. Till then, keep baking.